A very good afternoon, all. Shreyash, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in our last lecture, we have seen G code and M code. Okay. So, I just overview for this is the preparatory functions and M code means miscellaneous function. So, this part we have already studied in our last lecture. So, how to write a particular code for the particular steps. Okay. So, in this lecture, we will see the the component for writing the CNC part program. Now see, this is the turning component, okay, on which facing operation we are going to take, okay. So the question says write a manual part program for facing operation of the component shown in figure. So assume spindle speed as a, this is spindle speed as a 1500 rpm and feed rate as a 0.2 millimeter per revolution. So now for this particular facing operation, okay, so how to write the CNC part program, okay. So now the program start with the program name. So which letter indicates the program name? O letter is indicate the program start. So you can represent starting of the program as a O1001. So this is known as the program name. So after writing the program name, what you have to do? You have to write the sequence number. Now from after the program name, you can write the sequence number is 1. So N001. It's a sequence number. It's a first line of your program. Okay, after writing the program name, this is the first sequence line. Okay, this is called as range line. So now after that you can write on which coordinate system have you preferred for writing the CNC program. Now you can write the G90. G90 means absolute programming, means all dimensions are measured from the with reference to one origin. Okay, now next N002, now G71. It means you are selecting unit as a mm or inch mode. So now this is the metric mode programming, means all unit are in mm. Okay, so now after G90 you can end of block, you can write the end of block sign. So now this is called as metric mode programming, means all dimensions are in mm. Okay, that is the consideration for writing the program. So now next is N003. G92 means maximum spindle speed clamp. Okay, so this is the G92. Then M42 means we have to select the spindle rotation for gear number 2. So it's a medium spindle rotation, so that purpose you can select M42 code. Then spindle speed is, as according to our problem statement, we have taken spindle speed 1500 rpm. Now you can write S 1500.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the video is blurry.
Okay, I can't do that blurry because of network issue. I can't do anything. It's our Wi-Fi network.
Sir, nothing is visible.
Nothing is visible.